Namaskar students, hello everyone. So I hope everyone has joined and tell me, is it audible? Yes? Is it audible to everyone? Okay, good. So here, this is our seventh class, right? This is our seventh class of live, that is for 45 days crash course, right? So now we will be solving the whole paper. So now we completed 10 types of mental ability chapters, right? We completed 10 types of mental ability chapters. So for that, what we will do is we'll be covering the whole 10 chapters in one go. That is, we will solve the last year paper and we'll see how to solve all the questions at once. Okay, all the 10 chapters will be solving now, and we'll be solving one of the question paper, that is 2025 paper we will solve. Okay, good. So I will just share your screen, just a minute. So how are the classes going? Tell me. Is everyone liking the classes? Yes? Is it informative? Okay, thank you. Everyone like the video and share with your friends. Okay? Okay. So just a minute. So we covered all the 10 chapters, right? That is figure matching, embedded figure, mirror images, pattern completion, figure series, and then analogy, odd one out, geometrical figure completion, space visualization, paper cutting and folding. Those are all 10 types we covered. Yes? Okay, good. So here what we will do is we'll now see the 2025 paper here. Okay, good. Just a minute. So I will share the screen here. So here, okay. Okay, can everyone see the screen now? Tell me. Yes. So this is the 2024 mental ability paper. This is the 2024 Navodaya paper. Okay. So the first part will be the mental ability. The first part will be the mental ability here. Okay, so in the first part, what will be the chapter? That is, if you see and read this, so the first part always will be odd one out. So what will be the first part? It will be odd one out. Okay, so it will be odd one out. So if you see odd one out, or you can read the question also. So have been given abcd, four figures have been given in each question. Of these four figures are of these four figures, three figures are similar in some way and one figure is different. One figure is different means odd one out. Select the figure which is different, darken the circle for the answer in the OMR and answer sheet in the OMR sheet, right? So that is what we have to do. So here, so this is odd one out. First part will be always odd one out. So there will be how many questions? Each part there will be four questions for you. Okay, each part there will be four questions for you. Okay, so now I will give you 10 seconds and tell me the answers for all these four questions. Okay, students, let us see the answers for these. Okay, okay, so for the first question, if you see, what is the answer? So odd one out, which is the different one? So these are very easy. Okay, these are very easy. If you see, for the first question, answer is option D. Yes. Why is answer option D? Because it is what, the triangle is on the end of the circle, but here it is for the center of the circle, right? So for the first one, D is the answer, right? Everyone got the same. And for the second, what is the answer? There are here three lines, here there are three lines. Okay, so for the second, but if you see in the B, there are two lines, here three lines and two lines, and here four lines and four lines. Everywhere this is what, if it is all, both are same line, number of lines, here three lines, here also three lines. Okay, and then what, here two lines means here also two lines. Okay, yes, and here three lines, here two lines, so that is why it is different. Here four lines means four lines, so it is same, all are same, but in the B, that is in the C, it is different, so three and two lines. So that is why answer for second one is option C, isn't it? Okay, now for the third answer, what is the third answer? You can see what is happening, the arrow and the dot are opposite side. Here also that is opposite side, here also that is opposite side, but here it is one behind the other. So one behind the other means answer option D will be the correct for the third one. Okay, now fourth answer, what is the fourth answer? So if you see the number of parts, here four parts are there, here also four parts, here also four parts, but here there are eight parts, so that is why it is different. So answer option for the fourth is B. Everyone got the same? So that is for first one D, second C, and third one D, and fourth one B. So this is the part 1. So part 1 always will be odd one out. Part 1 will always be odd one out. Okay, very easy. So we are solving, that is question paper 2024. So tomorrow onwards, what we will do, we will go to maths. Okay, we'll also go to maths here. Understood? Okay, so today I wanted to solve all the questions once. Okay, okay, good. So next, second part. So if you see second part, what is the second part? So it is figure matching. What is it? Figure matching. So second part will always be figure matching. Okay, figure matching. So we have to see which is the same figure here. Okay, so which is the same figure, that will be your answer. Okay, okay, let's go to the questions now. Tell me the answers for these four questions now. So tell me the answers. Okay, students, let us see the answers now. So here, if you see, so for the fifth question, so what is the answer? So that is D is the answer, right? So here for the fifth, D is the answer, that is same figure, figure matching. Second, that is sixth question, B is the answer. What is the answer? B is the answer, that is the same figure for the sixth. And seventh one, C is the same figure, okay? And eighth one, that is D is the same figure, okay? It's very easy, so that you will get to know. So I am not explaining this, okay? Okay, good. So yes, so that is eighth answer is option D here, okay? So let's go to the next, that is part 3. So part 3 will be what? Part 3 will be always, I will just hide all the annotations, just a minute. So here if you see, part 3 will be, that is figure completion. What it will be? Figure completion. So you can see here, so that is figure completion, okay? So part 3 will be figure completion. So what you have to do? You have to complete the figure, okay? Figure completion, okay? In the figure completion, you have to complete the whole part, and then you have to find the answer for that, okay? So tell me the answers here. Okay, so here if you see, this is what? This is the figure completion, okay? Okay, so let us see now. So the first part, so for this ninth question, so answer is option B, because what is happening here, if you see, so that is in the middle the circle is colored, right? In the middle the circle is colored, but in the A it is not colored. So in the B it is colored, so that is why answer option B here, it is not possible. And D, that is the other direction, in the other direction, not possible. So B is the answer for the ninth question. Now 10th question, so the same pattern will come and it will complete the circle here. So here the answer will be option C, isn't it? The answer will be option C for the 10th question. Now 11th question, if you see, so what will happen here? If I draw it, if I draw, you can see what will happen is, so answer will come, this line is there, right? This line will extend till here, this line as like this line. So this will extend till here and then it will complete the hexagon. So that is why answer option D will come for the 11th. Okay, answer option D will come for the 11th. Now 12th answer is what? If you draw, you will get answer as option A. So this will color, right? This will color, and then what will happen? So you can go directly answer option A with the colored part only. So here the color part will come. So you can see this is in a other direction, not possible. C is not colored, not possible. D is not colored, so D is also not possible. Only answer option A. That way also you can do, or you can draw the line also here. That line will extend here, and then there will be dot and the mark. Okay, so that is how 12th answer will come. So this is about what? Figure completion, that is the part 3. So always in your question paper, part 3 will be what? Figure completion. So the fourth part here, empty part, we have to find it out. Will everyone be able to do? Okay, good. So now let's go to the part 4. So what will be the part 4 here? So part 4 will be, that is figure series. What will be the part 4? Part 4 will be figure series. Okay, so it will be figure series. Okay, figure series. In this figure series, what answer will come next, we have to find it out. Okay, so if I explain one question to you, so what will happen for the first question? So here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, so what is happening? The circle is changing here and the arrow, right? So the whole figure is rotated, the whole figure is rotated. So what happens here? So here it is rotated here, and this again it is rotated, this again it will rotate. So that is why answer option A will come for the 13th, right? So that is how you have to do. So solve these answers and tell me the answers in the comment. So this is what? This is the figure series. This is figure series here. Okay, so solve the answers. It's fine, it's fine. Okay. So now here students, let us discuss the answers. Yes, everyone is typing the answers, right? Okay, good. So see here, for the fourth part, that is what? The fourth part is figure series. So I just told the first answer. So the first answer is we have to rotate the figure, and then this is how A will look like, right? So the answer will look like A. Okay, very easy. Now for the 14th question, so what is happening for the 14th? If you see, so one more figure is added here. So here only one, here two, but it is rotated. Here three, then they are opposite, right? One is in the right, means one is in the left, so they are opposite. 1 2 3, there will be 4 now. So where is the 4 arrows? If you see in the A, the first is in the right, then second is left, then third is right, and fourth is towards the left, right? So that is the answer, right? So here if you see, okay, so B, will it be or will it be A answer? Yes. So if you see what is happening in the first, after the arrow there is a extra line, vertical extra line. So here also extra vertical line, here also extra vertical line. So here also there will be extra vertical line will come. So everywhere there is a extra vertical line. So that extra vertical line should be there, right? So that extra vertical line, this extra vertical line, this extra vertical line, this extra vertical line should come. So then the answer will be option B. Then the answer option will be B. So that is why the answer will come as B. Okay now? So not A. Understood? So that there should be what? An extra vertical line should be there at the end. So the answer will be option B for the 14th question. Okay. So now let us go to the 15th. So here 15th question is what? That is one triangle, there are two, right? And then there are three, and then here four triangles will come. So four triangles, here there are three triangles, here four triangles are there, here it is in opposite direction, here it is in opposite direction, and this is a totally different, so not possible. So answer is option A for the 15th, right? Very easy. Okay, so 16th answer, what is the 16th answer? So what is happening here, if you see, so this is rotated clockwise, right? So this is rotated clockwise. So clockwise rotation if you do, so next answer will be option B for ball. For 16th answer will be B for ball. Yes, so these are the answers for the part 4. So that is figure series. Part 4 will always be figure series. Everyone understood? Very easy. Okay. Okay, good. So that's how you have to do the answers. Now let's go to the fifth part. So what is the fifth part? Let us see now. So this is the fifth part. So in the fifth part, it is analogy. What is it? It is analogy. So for the fifth part, what you have to do? You have to find the figure analogy. So figure analogy, if you see, so figure analogy. Okay, so it is figure analogy. So we have to see the relations between two figures. So I will explain one of the question here. So if you see the 17th question, this figure is related to this, the same relation should exist between this and this. So what is happening, the middle section, that is two lines are joined here, so middle section is joined. So if you join here, the answer will come as option C, right? So answer will come as option C for the 17th. So that is how we do the figure analogy, right? So that is how we have to do the figure analogy. First 17th is answer option C. Okay, now solve the next answers. Okay, solve the next answers. This is figure analogy. Okay, solve the figure analogy questions. Okay, so hello students. Now let us see the next, that is what we are studying. We are studying the that is figure analogy. Okay, so in the figure analogy, what will happen? So we have to see the relation and then we'll get the answer. So in 18th question, what is happening? This is diagonal. Okay, so in the opposite direction it is rotated. So in this, if it is rotated opposite direction, answer will be 18th B. Okay, answer will be 18th B. Now 19th answer, what is this? Here also it is opposite, here also it is opposite. So if you rotate it opposite, so what we have to do? So the answer will come as option C for cat. Okay, okay, good. Now for the 20th question, so the lines joining are what? Removed. The lines joining in the middle are removed. So the same way, if you apply here, so here also if you remove the lines joining, then it will be answer option C. Okay, okay, good. So now let us go to the next part, that is sixth part. So sixth part will be figure completion, that is geometrical figure completion. What it will be? Geometrical figure completion. Okay, so geometrical figure completion means cut part, that is, this is the cut part here. So if you want to join that, which will be the correct figure which will join here? So we have to see that, right? So if you see, what is the answer for the 21st here? So 21st answer will be option B. Okay, yes, everyone got it? Okay, so that is the cut part here, so that will join option B. Okay, so it will not be A, because this you can see here, this is the figure, so it will join B. For 22, what will be the answer? Tell me. So that is answer option A, that will join perfectly, right? So answer option A, that will join perfectly. Okay, okay, good. So is it audible, students? Is it audible to everyone? Okay, yes, very good. So now 23rd. So 23rd, so if you join here, so the answer will come as option A, right? So if you join here, the answer will come as option A. And 24, so the if you join here, this will be the part missing, that is answer option C for the 24. So what will be the part 6? Part 6 will be geometrical figure completion. Geometrical figure completion will be the part 6. Now let us go to the part 7 now. Okay, so in the part 7, what it will be? Mirror images. What will be the part 6? Part 7, mirror images. So we have to find the mirror image. Okay, we have to find the mirror image. So here 25th question, what is the answer here? Tell me. So mirror image will look like same, so that is why answer option C. So right here, this box will come here, and then there will be a line joining here, right? So that is why it will be looking same, that will be looking same. Okay, so that is why answer option C will come. It will not rotate, it will not change, it will not rotate, and it will not change the figure. So the same figure will come option C here. Okay, so for 26, so this is Tom. Tom will become from the left side, right? So we have to see first which is near the mirror. M is near the mirror, so M will look like this, and then O, and then T, so it will become MOT. So answer is option A for the 26. So that is MOT. Okay, so not B, it is rotated wrong. So this is not C and this is not D also. Okay, so only answer option A will come. Now 27. So 27, if you see, so what will happen? The color part is away from the mirror, and which is near? The non-color part is near the mirror. So here also the non-color part should come first here. Okay, and then this arrow, right? So that is the looking like a plate, so this is how it will look like, right? And the arrow is away, so it will go away from the mirror. The arrow will go away from the mirror, this arrow, so in the top, right? So arrow will go away from the mirror, so the same arrow will go away from the mirror here. Okay, this side. So that is why answer will come option A. Here this arrow, can you see this arrow? That is away from the mirror. Okay, so but here it is towards the mirror, the arrow is towards the mirror, so that is why not the answer option A. that is B. Okay, so A is the answer here. Okay, so C is what? Not the answer. Okay, why? Because of the color. Can you see this? So the color in C is changed here. Okay, and in D, that is not the answer. Why? Because it is same. Because it is same. Okay, so that is why not possible. And 28 now. So 28, it will look like A, right? So if you draw this, there will be a circle in the middle, and then what will happen? There will be two triangles here. Okay, so there will be two triangles here, and then it will look like this, right? So that is why answer is option A. Okay, answer is option A for the 28. Okay, so that is the answer option. So next here, so 28 is answer option A. Now let's go for the part 8. So part 8 will be what? Tell me. Part 8 will be paper cutting and folding. Part 8 will be paper cutting and folding. Okay, so here you can see here paper is folded and what, then there is a diagram made. So if you see, this is the diagram. So it is folded up, then this side, and then there is a two circle pattern. So if you open it down, it will, or if you open it on the side first, if you open it on the side, there will be two more circles here. Okay, so you can get the answer by seeing this much only. So these two circles are there, so it is different here. So it is not the same, right? It is not the same, so that is why not the answer. Okay, these two are different here, this is also different, this is also different. So directly you can say answer option C easily, right? So for the 30 question, so what is happening? There is a square in the corner. Okay, so there is a square in the corner. So this is first half, then again half, then again half. It is again folded into half, half of half, right? So what will happen? This will come here again, so this will be coming here. So that is why answer option A will come. There will be one what, square in the middle, not B, because there is this extra part. If you see here, there is nothing here. Okay, so that is why here it will not come, so this B will not come. And in C, the corners, that is square in the corner is missing, and here in C, D, that is also square in the corner are missing. So answer is option A for the 30. Now 31 question, if you see, what will be the answer? So if you open it up, so this triangle will look like this. So answer option C. Okay, so this will look like C, that is B answer option. Okay, so that is how it will look like. So if you open it this side, this will look like this, right? So that is why answer option B will come. You can directly go here, right? So if I draw it again, so this is how it will look like. Okay, so you just open it this side means, so it will look like B answer. Now 32, what will be the answer for 32? Tell me. So answer option A here. So this circle will open means it will be semicircle, half. So semicircle will come here. So that is why answer option A for the 32, not B, C and not D. Okay. Okay, good. So that is part 8. Now let's go to the part 9. What is the part 9? We have to space visualization. This is space visualization. So space visualization means we have to make the figure by joining, right? Space visualization. Okay, so here we have to join them. We have to join and make a figure here. So if you join here, it will look like option A. So this, if you join, it will look like option A, not B, because it is bigger. This is big. Okay, this is big, so not possible. This is also big, and this is totally different, not possible. So 34, what is the answer if you join? So answer will come as option C here. Answer will come as option C here. Okay, don't be confused with A, because this, there are, if you count, there are how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there, but here in 1, 2, then there is middle 4 5 are the figures, so that is why not possible, right? So A is not possible for the 34. So B is also not possible because there are only what, this type of figure is not there, this figure is not there. Okay, and then in D if you see, so there are also 5. Okay, so there are also 5, so that is why not possible. So only C is the answer for the 34. Now 35 question. So if you join them, it is very easy, directly you will get the answer option B here. Okay, and 36 if you join in the same manner, the answer will come as option D. So 36 answer option D here. Okay, okay, good. Now let's go to the 10th part. So 10th part is embedded figure or hidden figure, embedded or hidden figure. So we have to find where it is hidden. So for the 37 question, so for the 37 question, where it is hidden, tell me. So in the C option it is hidden. Can you see here? So this figure is hidden in the C part. And in the 38, W is there. W is where? W is in option A. Okay, so W is in option A. Now 39, so where it is hidden? You can see in option C. So this same figure is hidden in the option C here. Okay, and 40 question if you see, so the answer will be option A here. This is hidden in this figure. Okay, so that is 40 question. So this is hidden figure, which is part 10. So there will be how many parts? There will be 10 parts. There will be 10 parts for the mental ability. Okay, so we saw all the 10 parts and their solutions. So this is question paper 2024. This is the question paper for 2024. Very easy, right? So will everyone be able to do, okay, all the questions? Okay, good. So that is, the first part is always odd one out, we have to find the different one. And then for the second, it will be figure matching, same figure we have to find. And the third part will be what? Figure completion. The fourth part here, this is the question mark, not there, right? This one you have to find it out. Okay, so okay, good. Now for the fourth, it will be figure series. So one after the other, what pattern will come, you have to see and then find the fourth figure. Okay, and then fifth part will be analogy. So relation between two figure, and then same relation should be there between the next two figures. So that is fifth part will be figure analogy. And sixth part will be geometrical figure completion, that is cut part. Here cut is there, so that is we have to join, which will be complete the figure. So that is the sixth part. Okay, and then seventh part is what? Mirror images. Seventh part is mirror images. And then eighth part is what? That is paper folding and cutting. Okay, and then ninth part, what is the ninth part? That is the space visualization, we have to join and make a figure. Okay, so that is ninth part. And the 10th part is hidden figure. So we have to see which is the, where the figure is hidden. So that is, we have to find the answer. Okay, okay, good. So I hope everyone understood, and this is how you have to solve all the 10 parts and the question paper. Okay, so students, how was the class? Tell me. Very easy, right? So this is how you have to solve the question paper. Okay, so thank you students, share with your friends. And this is our 45 days. Hello, is it audible? Okay, sorry. So that is, this is